Pag nakakita ka ng suka, soy sauce, laurel, bawang, manok, syempre, ang nasa isip mo ay adobo. Which is actually what we're gonna do. So we're gonna sear the chicken first, skin side down. Yan, para walang talsik at walang disgrasya. So the reason why we're searing it is because so that we lock in all the juices and mas maganda kasi mas tostado yung lasa niya. Tinanggal ko na para mas mabilis punasan. Kung isa lang naman yung ginagamit nyo na pot. Adding water. Let's turn it up and we're gonna bring this to a boil. So water in, chicken that's been seared, and then we cover it. Then, pag kumulo na, doon na natin siyang timplahan. Ay! Alam mo, dapat kong gawin. Sana, ito, niluto ko. Mas masarap kasi pag niluto mo yung, or pag ginisa mo yung basil. Yung bay leaf eh. Ay, sayang. Hello! You want some adobo? Oh! Can you say mama? Dada. Lahat ng mga scum na yan or lahat ng mga dumi, tanggalin natin yan. So yan, kumukulo na. Lagyan ko konting soy sauce. And konting suka. Then, alam ko ano iniisip nyo. Dapat yung suka sa huli. Dapat yung ganito, ganyan. Pwede ba hayaan nyo lang ako? Hindi. I'm gonna later, pag kumulo ulit, before we serve, or a few minutes before siya maging ready, I'm gonna finish it off again with vinegar. Then I'm gonna bring this to a boil. After that, pag kumulo na siya ulit, I'm gonna open the lid and I'm going to put it on medium para it's slowly gonna reduce. Yep, that's what we want. Okay, so like so, and then you know what, let's put it on low para kita mo yan, yung usok, yung gusto natin para mag-reduce siya. Oops, hindi ko na nahulog yung phone ko. Yan, may dumi ulit. We can clean that or skim it. If you're doing slow braising, it's important to invest on a good pot.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for pork. And ito lang yung pork natin. Yung spare ribs with Talsi from Manila. So it's
yum.
Spare ribs. May konting Talsi siya. Pero di naman ganun ka overpowering.
So you're making a chicken pork adobo?
Oo. So,
yan ang favorite ko, by the way. It has to be chicken and pork eh.
Okay. So ito nga. And guys, this is the first time I'm doing this. But sometimes you cook out of being resourceful. Tamang English ba yan?
Yes, I think that's right.
Yeah. So,
you have to be resourceful.
Yeah. Pero, again, just make sure that yung lasa niya, adobo pa rin. When you taste it, suka pa rin. Yung una mong nanalasahan. Alright?
Okay.
Come here, come closer. I'm just gonna put it like
You know what you need there, right?
What?
You need adobo egg.
Ah. Okay. Sige, let's... Okay. Yun yung gusto kasi ni Camille.
Tapos gusto ko, ayoko yung parang adobo egg na nilagay na sa dulo. Gusto ko yung parang nakababad din.
Your wish is my command. Soft-boiled eggs muna. And then, sakto lang yan. We have time. Tagal pa to. Mamayang gabi pa natin makakain yun.
Okay.
Diba yun yung sabi nila, yung masarap na adobo yung the day after. So, that's why I put it in a good pot. And we'll slow cook it. Pag may trabaho kayo at hindi nyo matapos, ang gagawin nyo, pwede either iwan nyo siya dito and then continue nyo ulit kung maganda yung pot nyo or lipat nyo siya sa rice cooker, lagay mo lang sa warm pag uwi mo sa bahay.
Meron din tayong Instapot.
Ayaw ko na siya ilabas.
Okay.
Teka lang. I'll make you some eggs. Tinanggal ko to kanina kasi tumatalsik-talsik yung mantika. Hirap punasan. Camille, di ba, when you cook eggs, use malamig muna yung tubig, di ba? Or hinihintay mo kumukulo?
Ako inaantay kong kumulo. Pero only if I'm very specific about the timing of the eggs. Like,
Okay.
for example, kung soft-boiled siya, meron akong specific talagang counted. That's why I make the perfect soft-boiled eggs.
Let's follow your count. How many, pag kumulo na, how many minutes to?
Technically 7, but I leave
Let's
it
make it
until 8.
Okay, or...
Para semi-soft lang.
Sige, alright. So, takpan natin siya para mabilis kumulo. Recap lang tayo while we're waiting. So, yung adobo, konting ingredients na talaga, di ba? Parang 5-6. Soy sauce, vinegar, bay leaf, garlic, peppercorn, soft-boiled eggs para kay Camille. Sugar. 6. May nakalimutan ba ako? Say salt and pepper kung gusto nyo. Sugar. Basta. Hello, Fan. Dada. Hello. Asim. So, kulang pa siya sa tamis. And, yung spare ribs and tausi, wala siyang... I mean, mas masarap siya, pero hindi niya inalter yung lasa ng adobo. Ngayon, kailangan lang natin balansehin ng tamis. Tapos masarap na adobo na to. Pero, time talaga. Is it your first time smelling adobo?
Yes, you can't have adobo yet.
Why not?
Not until you turn 1.
But I'm already 11 months old.
Babe, wala pa. Because no sodium yet.
Okay.
Pwede na siya i-taste.
Yeah, pwede na. Sige, I'll give you a little sample.
Well, I'm liking the smell a lot because sobrang hilig ko sa suka.
Yes.
Suka and calamansi. Gusto ko nagsaseparate yung oil na.
Yes. The eggs are ready. Lulutuin niya pa ulit eh. Papatayin ko na lang. Ha?
Okay.
And then, kasi aalis na tayo. Ay, shoots. Teka lang. Atras. May gagawin pa pala ako bago ko ilagay yung eggs. Teka lang. Pwede mong gawin. Para, when there's a mistake, there's always a solution. Or when you, parang sabi mo, ay, teka lang, ay, bulong, ang init. Kasi still. So anyway, ganito. Kukuha ko ng sauce dito para mababad natin yung eggs. Tama?
I'm not sure.
Hindi ka agree sa akin.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay. Kung gusto mo lang na yung
Na what?
sorry, nawala yung concentration ko. Kung gusto mo lang na ma-maintain yung doneness ng eggs,
it won't happen because you still need to soak it. So no matter what, maluluto pa rin siya.
you know what, as they say, huwag kang mag-argue sa asawa mo. And that is what I'm doing. Anyways, I will just deflect or ibahin ko na lang yung topic. So this is, yes, Chef Noel's Dubai chocolate. Instead of sugar, we're gonna add a little bit of this.
This is the dark chocolate.
Yep. So I'm gonna add maybe...
I think you should add the whole bar.
No.
Why not?
Because we have to test first. We don't want it to...
Sarap. Yum. Yum.
Okay. Let's see first with this one. Then kasi I don't want it to taste like a Dubai chocolate. I want it to still taste... Gusto ko siya maging adobo pa rin with a little bit of hint. Let's see.
But I think it still needs more.
Yes, agree.
Just so small.
Pero kilalanin muna natin bago natin siyang... Pero I am almost certain that it will go well.
I agree.
Okay, let's give it a taste.
Hindi mo pa nahalo mabuti.
Nandyan na. Pero, as always, tama palagi ang asawa. Kaya, dagdagan natin ng kalahati pa. Ito, mamaya na. Okay? Pero tama nga si Khalil. Feeling ko lahat eh.
Lahat talaga. For it to make a difference. Kasi it's such a big pot eh.
Again, may point na naman siya. Kaya, sundin na lang natin.
Huwag
Pero,
na lumaban.
Sa comment sections, ikaw na lumaban para sa akin. Ha? Guys, bakit hindi? Basta yung importante lang, lasang adobo pa rin. That's what I said. If you wanna give adobo a twist, kailangan lamang pa rin yung suka, laurel, bawang, peppercorn. Nandyan pa rin yan. Soy sauce.
I know. Everyone can make their own.
Hindi, kasi yung iba, nilalagyan nila ng oyster sauce. Wala naman akong... Well, I disagree with that. Pero minsan kasi yung oyster sauce, sasapawan niya yung lasa ng suka eh. Hindi na siya adobo. Yung iba naman sobrang tamis. Hindi na siya adobo. Patatim na siya.
You know, I grew up kasi, so hindi ako mahilig sa adobo, diba? So, I grew up with a Chinese-style adobo. Manamis-namis na konti lang yung sauce. Kaya hindi ko nagustuhan. So, if you can change my mind about adobo, then great.
Taste it. Pero...
You know, to be quite honest, ayoko maging emotional, okay? Kasi naiiyak ako. Pero, smelling this makes me so emotional. It smells like home.
Aww.
Sarap.
Aww.
Lalo ako iyak.
I think kailangan natin magsaing ng kanin. Should we add more chocolate?
No, I think this is just right.
Okay. Hint lang, no?
Yeah.
It's there, no?
It's there, but you won't be able to, if kunwari you didn't tell me, hindi ko naman siya malalasan. Oh my God, nilagyan mo ba siya ng Dubai chocolate? Hindi eh. Parang, there's that sweetness na hindi mo alam saan nanggagaling.
My question is, should we add sugar?
No, I think it's enough.
Okay. All right. So then, what we do with this one is we really just cover the lid and eat it tonight.
Parang masarap nga siya with a nice Chloe
Rice?
rice.
O, tara.
Yung bagong saing lang. Tapos, meron pang mga tutong. Alam mo kung anong... This would really go well with a nice medium-bodied wine. Red wine.
Sige, meron ka?
Yeah. Maybe
Okay.
maybe a Cabernet.
Okay, pa-Cabernet. Alright. Patayin na natin kasi alis tayo. Yan, dyan lang yan. Sakto lang yan mamaya. Alright.
Sabihin ko naman talaga sa'yo kung hindi masarap, diba? Pero totoo, masarap siya. And parang na-excite ako umuwi mamaya. Hindi pa nga tayo maalis eh. So,
See, guys, yun yung maganda. Pag meron kayong niluto sa bahay na inaabangan mo or that you look forward to, then yun, it's like fixing your bed. That because you fixed your bed, you look forward to going home to sleep in it.
I have this thing with fixing beds. So, naiinis ako kay JP pag hindi na
So,
ayos
look who's
bed
talking.
natin. Hey, I'm very
No, ako nga.
particular with that.
Ako nga.
Right.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And I like it na yung adobo mo maraming sabaw. Diba meron klaseng adobo na hindi masyado masabaw? Ayoko yun.
Kung wala kayong ganito, palayok pwede rin. I dropped off Finn, Camille, and Nanny sa play date. Basta playtime ni Finn. And then we are off to the gym. Kasi we're gonna get back in shape slowly. So stair climber lang muna ako. Kasi I'm still healing this left shoulder. And so hindi mo matamaan. Hindi. Yeah. So legs lang, puro legs lang. And light exercises lang. And then pag ready na, pwede na tayo humataw, kumbaga. Anyways, let's go. Lagay natin to. Init. It's about 40 degrees outside. Uy. Whew. That's from Gordon Miller. See you later. Ay, shit. On pa yung ilaw. Kakalimutan. Those lights are obviously from PIAA. That I got in Manila. Okay, tapos na yung gym. We are gonna go pick up Finn and Camille and Nanny. They came from a playtime, and then Camille was saying that ito daw yung pinakamasaya niyang playtime.
How do you know where to find that?
Hello! Hi! Hi! Hello! Oh! Tired and sleepy?
We did 45 minutes.
45 minutes. Ang ganda dito, ano?
Yung ganda ng Gymboree Beach.
Home sweet home, golden hour. And can't wait to eat the adobo. Alright. Si Finn ay pinapatulog na. This is the adobo broth for the eggs. This is the adobo reducing. Look at that. Grabe yung difference, no? From kanina. And of course, may kanin tayo. And then, nagpapa-healthy si JP. Quinoa. Yeah, so what you can do with your eggs is, cook it to whatever doneness you want. Hulog nyo yung, say may bistic sauce kayo, say may salpicao sauce, say whatever liquid sweet soy, marinate your eggs. So ito, adobo. Siguro if I had more time, mas sisip-sip pa yung lasa kasi normally overnight to eh. Pero since we're eating tonight, maybe may chance pa ako to make Camille happy. So overall, it's going well. It's going well. Alright, for that, we deserve a beer because we had a long week and yeah, it was a long month really. Whew, pagod talaga. Grabe. So yeah, we've been catching our breath lately. You want a beer? Or you're gonna have your wine? So are you hungry?
Medyo.
Alright. Si Camille had a... No. Wala kang appearance?
Wala akong appearance.
Okay, wala pala. Pambahay siya. Alright, she just tried to put Finn
To bed.
Which
and
you...
did not succeed. So si Yaya muna.
Because? Laban?
Para lang ma-shoot kita. Hindi, totoo. I mean, I like bedtime routine namin ni Finn.
Okay. Sige, mabilis lang to. And para rin makakain ka. Total, nandito pa naman si Nani. Alright, let's do...
Para din makatikim si Mia before she leaves.
Yeah. Just gonna use a fork and fluff it. So, pag ano to? Yung rice cooker mo, pag nag-click, get a fork and just fluff the rice. Para lang buwag ng konti. Right? Then, after fluffing it, let's plate it. O kakain ako ng konting rice lang. Pero hindi ko isabel.
Parang medyo marami yan. Hindi yan konti.
So parang may pagka-adobo rice siya, babe.
Okay.
Okay?
Wala. Siyempre.
Siyempre what?
I mean, siyempre masarap yan.
Okay.
Medyo delikado nga.
Hindi, kasi sabi mo, So, natatakot ako sa reaction mo.
Patikim nga.
Wait lang.
Pwede ko bang tikman yan?
Sige. Should I put salt?
Oh, hindi ko pa natitikman yan. Wait
Should I
lang.
Wait lang. Should I put...
I don't think you should put salt.
Nah, yeah. Should I put... No, I shouldn't put crispy onions.
No. Ako, no.
Plain lang.
Hilig dyan eh.
Spring onions. Hindi na?
Hindi na.
Okay. Do you want to wait for everything or do you want to
No, I just want to try it now. Okay? Kulang sa...
Kulang sa sauce. Sige. Can you add? Then, I'll plate the adobo. You know, because I seared it, so maganda yung kulay ng manok.
Kaya pala.
Na-notice mo?
Oo. I actually thought na parang, sabi ko, ba't mukhang naprito?
Yeah. Diba
Boy, I can see the white chocolate, the pistachio, so...
Really?
Oh, look at it. Ayan, I can see it. Because
So,
I know Chef Noel uses very good quality pistachios.
I'm so
He
happy.
told me yesterday.
Talaga?
Oo. I forgot lang saan galing. Basta, magaganda.
Wait lang. I licked my finger, so rinse. Kasi marami nagreklamo na I lick. It's just that I'm enjoying myself.
Grabe naman.
It's my endearment to what I'm doing, in a way.
Chill lang kayo, guys.
Oh well. Kasi sinasabi nila yung Filipino food daw ay hindi daw appealing because it's all brown. It is all brown. So what you guys do is embrace the brownness of it. You know what we didn't put in the... Dapat nandito talaga yan. Yung peppercorn. So, it's now reverse. Kasi normally what happens is that you really taste the peppercorn in the sauce. So this time, it's freshly cracked peppercorn over sa adobo. Ito yung kakainin ko. Ang mangyayari mamaya is magkukumari lang muna ako, meaning I'm gonna get a little bit of the white rice para lang I get the taste of real rice, and then I'm gonna stretch it with the quinoa because I really want to eat a lot. And then I think this will go well with salt. The quinoa.
Not too much.
Okay. Then you want to put chili oil on the rice? Di na.
Ikaw.
Let's put a little bit. Dito, hindi natin galawin. Lagay ko lang dito sa gilid konti lang.
No.
See, kaya nakatingin ako kasi... Yeah, sige babe, walang mangyayari dyan. Okay lang yan.
Okay.
Alright. Should I, since you don't want to be on the camera... Oh! The most important thing, your lovely adobo eggs. Okay, so, alright, let's take a few steps back and just remove the coriander because I do respect the purist. Though it's okay. Okay, for the sake of being purist na lang. Since na di ko siya may lagay, I'm gonna put it here. Seriously, it's okay. Dito, adobo rice, let's not touch it. This one, so Camille.
Yeah.
Are you, ako na yung kakain?
Oo.
Since hindi ka naman
Oo.
magpakita.
Ikaw na. Ayoko magpakita.
Okay.
Nakapambahay na ako eh.
Sige, sige.
That looks really good, by the way.
That's good. Would be better the next day. Pero kulang pa.
Para sa akin, mas gusto ko siya mas maasim lang ng konti pa.
Okay.
Mahilig din ako sa maasim.
Sige. Ay, yeah. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add more vinegar to this. Can I put this back? Yeah, right? I'll cook it really quick with the vinegar.
Sure.
Okay.